It's Charity Manigault chiming in today, and today is Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, happy Wednesday, and how's everyone doing? Well, this is Charity Manigault chiming in, and this is video number 83 of the 90 Days Clicks Gone Wild video challenge. And I am having a blessed, and happy Wednesday. And I hope that you're having a happy Wednesday. Yes, I am so grateful to be alive for one more day, for this is the day that the Lord has made, and I will rejoice and be glad in it. And I'm rejoicing because I'm almost near my goal. So as I was teaching you before and talking to you before about keep on going on, yes, I've been pressing on. I've been pressing on. And because I'm pressing on, I'm almost to my goal. So where are you at with your goals, and what are you doing? Are you still talking around with motivated people? Are you reading motivated books? And are you listening to motivated tapes? Are you still keep getting on and keep getting on and keep pressing on? Are you still going to do all that you can do? Listen, you got to keep going on. You got to keep going on. And as I like to say, how do you eat an elephant? You eat it one day at a time, one bite at a time, one bite at a time. Not one day at a time, one bite at a time. I know you got to take one day at a time. Listen, life is tough. And so what? You got to keep on going on. So keep on pressing on. Keep on pressing on. Enjoy your life. Listen, the Lord states, this is the day that the Lord has made, and we will rejoice and be glad in it. And you have to rejoice, and you have to keep going on. I want you to put that big smile on your face. I want you to enjoy your day. Whatever you're going through, don't worry about it. Just keep on pressing on and keep on pressing on. I want you to have a happy Wednesday. And listen, you can do it. I know you can do it. I have faith in you. I believe you can do it. So this is another happy Wednesday. This is Charity Manigault chiming out. And this is number video 83 of the Clicks Gone Wild video challenge. Have a blessed day and be happy and smiling. Happy Wednesday.